Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to switch TikTok from personal to business account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Anyone who has a personal TikTok account can create a TikTok business account. Once you've switched to a business account, you will get access to a variety of exclusive features, including the ability to add your business contact information and website. And what if you want to change maybe you have business account and you want to switch type your account to the personal, maybe for some reason. First of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can open your profile. As you can see, my TikTok is still on business account. I have this feature. You can tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on account. There's an option switch to personal account. You can just tap on that. If you switch your account type, you will lose all business account feature. Your account will no longer show your business website and email. You will still be responsible for any violation you receive on your business account. You can tap on switch it anyway. So now your TikTok is on a personal. You can see you no longer have the business account feature. It's so simple, right? So that is how to switch your TikTok from business account to personal. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!